Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes.
You were saying something.
Yeah, I was saying that. Uh, what is your goal in your life, ma'am?
What is my that's a topic for today also. Um, Fair enough. But yeah, I don't have any goal as of now, honestly. I'm
Hmm.
not a person who likes to have very long term goals or something. So yeah, I don't have any goals. I really don't like that question in general because it doesn't make sense to me. It's my personal opinion. But yeah, I don't really have goals as of now. I try to live day by day, and I think that way I'm functioning better. So yes,
I have
I don't
same
know.
thoughts as you have. I I I don't have any goal that I have to learn every day. Uh, I live with this that I have to learn every day. It can be anything. It can be my mathematics issue. It can be English. It can be any subject. But just I have to learn every day. And I want to be a teacher in my
Mhm.
future. This is my short-term goal, not a long-term
Yeah,
goal.
not a long term goal. Yeah,
Yes.
understandable.
When I would be a teacher, I will not consider myself that I'm a teacher or I'm a professor. Not. I will always be a student in my life because I know very well that I don't have enough knowledge that I
Yeah,
have knowledge is equal to in decimal, not equal to decimal. It means
yeah,
point.
not
So
equal to everything.
this is
Exactly.
really very very big world. you
Yeah,
know.
true.
Yes.
That makes sense. Fair enough.
I
So
I
right